Hi, I'm Joy Daniels. Are you thinking about selling your central Pennsylvania home this fall or winter? If your answer is yes, join me, RJ Harris from WHP 580 AM, and a panel of industry experts for an in-home selling workshop on Wednesday, September 24th from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. at the Camp Hill Giant Supermarket Community Center. The workshop focuses on everything you need to know about getting top dollar in the fall and winter market in a quick time frame. We'll discuss how to prepare your home in today's market, and we'll have a mortgage lender, home inspector, and a home stager join us. If you have specific questions, please submit them in advance so we can try to answer them during the event. Here are some starter questions that we will discuss. Can I purchase a home before selling my current one? Is now a good time to sell? Are home prices dropping? Understanding the cash offer process? What mistakes should I avoid? How do I get rid of my stuff? How do I attend home buyers now? How do I attract home buyers now? Should I pre-inspect my home? If you're thinking about selling your home, reserve your spot today. If you have any questions about the event or real estate, don't hesitate to reach out. Phone 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com. We look forward to hearing from you.